Hello everyone and welcome to Belgium at DetailXperts, where we came to provide paint protection film training, and I would like to show you around. Let's go. Because still it's early, today is first day. Guys will come in 30 minutes, so we have enough time just to show you our setup. So let's walk in. Gintogang. I don't know what that means, but good morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
How are you? Everything's ready?
Yeah, sure.
Good, yeah.
Prepping some stuff, so ready to go.
Cool. So yeah, guys, as you see, we're gonna hold the training right here. We have 2 cars to practice on, and we're hosted by this nice person.
Nicolas and my brother Sebastian. He'll come soon, so.
We're still waiting for the coffee.
Yeah,
Coffee's on the way.
Yeah. Coffee, yeah.
I came yesterday late night just to prepare our tools. As well, we're gonna have this stand right there where guys can practice cutting skills, installation skills. We have a full front of the car. Nice, yeah? So, let's wait for the guys. Like that, then back solution right there, stretch a bit this direction, and that's it. Now I can go, okay, maybe I'll stretch a bit better there. Now I can go for coffee and it's mirror is done. With the template I was hating my day. Overkill. It's a sharp corner. Why me? Kill it.
Actually, it's completely in front. Because if it wants to go bad, it's there that the surface is going to end.
So guys, we're done with paint protection film training here in Belgium at DetailXperts. Thank you very much guys for organizing and inviting us.
Happy to have you.
Yeah. So now all what left for us is pack our stuff, put in the car and go home. With you was me, Rafael, as always, and I will see you next time. Ciao.